Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix scanner not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, if your scanner is not working, what you have to do is just go to your Start button, just right click on it and click on Run, and the Run command will open up. In here, type services.msc. Again, that is services.msc. Then just click on OK. This is going to open up the Windows services for you. In here, just go to W for Windows, and try to search for Windows Image Acquisition, or the WIA. Then just right click on it and click on Start. Then just wait and it will start for you. As you can see, it's running. Then just right click on it, click on Properties, and from here select the startup type to automatic delay. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. And make sure it's running, then just close this. And after that, just try to use your scanner and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, what you can do is just go to your search and search for CMD and run CMD as an administrator. Click on yes if it asks for permission. In here, just type this command: msdt.exe /id device diagnostic. And after that, just hit enter. It's gonna give you a warning that troubleshoot and help prevent computer problem is running. Just click on next, and then just wait. It will detect the problems for you and fix them for you. Just give it some time. And there you go. After that, you can select your problem if it finds the problem, or you can just close this if you don't see the device listed, which is the problem. And after that, just go ahead and restart your PC, and hopefully your scanner will be fixed. And basically that is how to fix scanner not working on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.